Hey everyone, welcome to Phone Tech. Let's compare two new smartphones, Huawei Nova 4e and Samsung Galaxy A50. Let's start with the front camera. Both have a water drop notch and talk about the megapixel. Nova 4e has 32 megapixel front camera and other side A50 has 25 megapixel front camera. In Huawei Nova 4e has 6.1 inch Full HD Plus IPS display and Samsung Galaxy A50 has 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. If we look at on the RAM, both have a 4 and 6 GB option. If we talk about the storage, Huawei Nova 4e has 128 GB storage and other side you will get a two options, 64 and 128 GB storage option. Now compare rear cameras. Both have a triple rear cameras and talk about the megapixels. Huawei Nova 4e has 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 8 megapixel and other side you will get 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 MP camera. Now give a look on processor and chipset. Huawei Nova 4e has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and other side Samsung Galaxy A50 has same, you will get 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. If we talk about the chipset, Huawei Nova 4e has KEYone 710 chipset and other side you will get Exynos 9610 chipset. As I always tell about some other specification, let's start. Both have a Android 9.0 Pie and both have a Bluetooth, but difference in versions. Huawei Nova 4e has 4.2 and other side you will get a 5 LE. And now talk about the SIM. Both have a dual SIM option and talk about the GPU. Huawei Nova 4e has Mali G51 MP4 GPU and other side Samsung Galaxy A50 has Mali G72 MP3 GPU. And talk about the fingerprint sensor. Huawei Nova 4e has fingerprint sensor on the back and A50 has fingerprint sensor under display. Let's start the talk about battery. Huawei Nova 4e has 3340 mAh battery with fast battery charging and other side Samsung Galaxy A50 has 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging as well. And talk about the price. Huawei Nova 4e expected price 20,000 in India rupees and 290 in US dollar. And Samsung Galaxy A50 average price is 22,000 in India rupees and 310 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.